welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of Patola sarees, Patola silk sarees. So please keep watching this video if you want Patola sarees in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. Let's move forward and let's see the first sample of our today's video, and that is going to be this pretty saree which is coming on the two color base. You can see here, it's very pretty. I just want to show you the work, like which kind of work we are giving, and that is very attractive and elegant piece. And same way you can see the motifs over here. So it has an elephant motif on it, and this is coming in a whole jacquard base, full jacquard base saree I am showing you over here. Isn't this very attractive and beautiful? I just want to show you the full body of this saree. Look, this is going to be the whole body of this saree. And let's move forward to the blouse piece, like which kind of blouse piece you are getting. So you are getting heavy brocade blouse piece which is coming on a green color. That green color was in a pallu, and that elephant motifs for inside, that was also of a green color thread. So it was very pretty and attractive piece. Let's move forward and let's see another sample. That is also going on a traditional saree, which is a Patola silk saree. So very unique motif this is too. And you can see, just want to show you pallu first. So this is going to be the pallu pattern over here. Very unique saree with the unique color, that light color we are providing you. And same way I want to show you the bottom part, the body pattern over here, which has a pink color thread with it. So very unique piece we are providing you. Isn't this very unique? I just want to show you the thread, the border with it. So this is something border you will get with it. So very unique piece this is too. I just want to show you blouse piece of this saree. So you are getting full cut of 630 meters in this saree. You can see over here it is coming with this golden color brocade work. It also has this brocade work. So very pretty saree this was too. Now you might have a question that, ma'am, why you are not mentioning the price? What is the reason behind it? So main reason, we are not disclosing price on any social media platform including YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. That if we will mention the price of any product, that will be problem for you to add your margin, because we have our manufacturing rate here. So we will never disclose our manufacturing rate. That's why I want to know price. So what you can do, numbers are on screen, and in the description box you will get a link. So you just have to click on that link. So direct WhatsApp will be open, and just direct go there. From there you can contact us, and our online sales executive will attend you, and they will guide you for everything, whatever you want to know about Ajmera Fashion or about purchasing, how to purchase. Let's move to another beautiful saree which is coming on this pink color. Very unique color with the unique thread. It has a thread of fine multi-color we have, you can see. And let me show you the body. So this beautiful body is going to be, look, something this kind of body which has two different kind of works. In the first panel there is a different work. In the middle of this body there is a different checks motif, and outside of the body there is a different. So something this kind of brilliant saree we are giving you. I want to show you blouse piece. So we are providing you a plain blouse piece with it, because overall saree has a very heavy work in it. So plain blouse piece you are getting. So very unique piece this was too. Let's move forward and let's see another sample. Look at this brilliant piece over here. It has a really heavy patola work. Now today we are just watching a patola saree, but except we have saree, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies undergarment, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kids wear, and lots of varieties. That is in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer, because we are the first manufacturer who is providing all of these things to a direct retailer. That's why it's an opportunity for those people who want to start their business. So it's upon you. You want to start your business from home, or you want to start it from your shop, you want to start your boutique, or you want to just open a small shop, or if you want to start your own kind of showroom. So it's upon you. But want in a wholesale, only then you can join us. Not a single piece available. Let's see this brilliant piece. It is actually very attractive. What if you will, your customer will say this, they will ready to purchase this on any cost, because if you will add a really high margin, till your customer can purchase this. So I just want to show you the blouse piece here too. So let's go to the blouse piece. Look at the blouse piece. Brocade blouse piece we are providing with it with the heavy borders. Yes, you are getting two different kind of borders. So very unique and very pretty collection this is going to be. Let's move forward and let's see another pretty pattern over here that is going on a running color, running base. So let's open. Finally, you can see it has a two different kind of shades. First one is green and second one is blue. Two different shades we are providing you in here, and you can see there are lots of work and intricate motifs. Again, I want to tell you this is just a Patola sari, but except this we have lots of varieties: sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies undergarment, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, whatever retailer need, we have that every single thing. So please come here. You will get everything direct from a manufacturer. So friends, this was our video about Patola sarees. Want to order online in a bulk, in a wholesale? Numbers are on screen, just call there or message there. Transportation is available, it's upon you. Whatever transport system you want to choose, you can. For more details, you can direct contact us. This was our video about Patola sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.